If we draw a point on a plane, like this point P, and we draw two semi-straight lines A and B that start on it, the area between both of them is an angle. So the angle is the figure formed by two semi-straight lines that have a point in common, that is, that meet at one point, which is its vertex. Although angles can be measured using different units, in technical drawing we are always measuring them in degrees. From that, it can be deduced that when two straight lines C and D meet, they form four angles, being each one congruent to its opposite one. Here, angle A is congruent to its opposite angle C, and angles B and D, which are opposite, are also congruent to each other. There are different types of angles according to their span, that is, the degrees they span. First, we are going to see the right angle, which is the one that two semi-straight lines form when they are perpendicular. Its span is 90 degrees. These two semi-straight lines that meet in perpendicular at this point A form a right angle, a 90 degrees angle. If two semi-straight lines intersect forming an angle which is less than 90 degrees, like this angle B, it is an acute angle. If the span of the angle that two semi-straight lines form when meeting is more than 90 degrees, like this angle C, it is an obtuse angle. And if the span of the angle that the semi-straight lines form is exactly 180 degrees, it is a straight angle, like this angle D. If we look at this angle, we are not referring to two semi-straight lines that meet, really, but to a straight line that has been divided into two semi-straight lines by point D. Besides, let us differentiate between complementary angles and supplementary angles. If there are two angles which form a right angle when added, they are complementary angles. These two angles A and B are complementary angles because they form a 90 degrees angle, that is, a right angle when added. Angle A is angle B's complementary angle, and angle B is angle A's complementary angle. And if there are two angles which form an 180 degrees angle when added, they are supplementary angles. These two angles C and D are supplementary angles because they form a straight angle, that is, a 180 degrees angle when added. Angle A is angle B's supplementary angle, and angle B is angle A's supplementary angle.